Mason's Blue Vista Ironstone, always a popular pattern. These are the dessert plates coming in at just under 9 inches. Measuring Vista's always very difficult because there's quite deep rolling scallop and it's offset when you put a tape measure across the diameter. So we're listing these at 8 7/8 inches, and I think that's as close as we're going to get. But as you rotate them round, you start to doubt your own measurements. They're in very nice clean condition, good glaze. Few little marks on them from their use, but these are dating from the 1940s and 1950s. There's your angular crown Mason's Vista mark permanent detergent proof decoration, which came in around that period. Got several of them going on catalogue, all in very good condition, nice and clean with no real condition warnings on any of them. So if you're a Blue and White China fan or a particular Mason's Vista, and they made this in red and white, but blue and white was the dominant sales line, then do follow the description. We'll put in a link below which will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where these are going on sale. Plenty of Blue Vista and Red Vista on catalogue, so do have a search. Just pop Vista Masons in and it should pull all the pieces that we've currently got available for sale. Thanks for watching.